Look what I got at the store yesterday. It's Doritos, Dominite, Cherry Lemon. Now let's open the bag and see what they look like. Alright, as you can see, they just look like Takis. Pretty much the same size and the same shape. But now, let's take one out of the bag and taste it. Alright, now I have the bag in my hand. Let's take one out. As you can see, yeah, it looks like pretty much a Take, so let's taste it. I will say this, it's definitely less lime flavor this time than actual Takis, which is really good because sometimes the lime is like overpowering in Takis. They're very spicy, but